Good afternoon, student, once again. And in today's session of LDD platform, we will discuss about the structure of elephant boat. You know very well, we have already created lots of designs, lots of model in previous sessions. But today we will design a very interesting and innovative model that is elephant boat. And right now, you know very well what are the process for that. The process is simple. The process is simple. You have to follow some steps, and by the help of these steps, you can easily prepare, you can easily design elephant boat. So right now I'm telling you all these steps. By the help of these steps, you can easily create this structure. So listen carefully and try to understand all the steps which I am telling you right now. So first of all, you have to find out three parts. सबसे पहले आप थ्री पार्ट्स को सर्च बॉक्स की हेल्प से, अपने लाइब्रेरी पार्ट से, और वी कैन से दैट किट से अपने थ्री पार्ट्स को एक्सेस कर लेंगे ऑन योर वर्क प्लेन एरिया. So what are the parts? What are the parts? The parts name is simple. One is cross axle, another one is fric snap, and the third one is tachomotor, right? So we will find out one by one. So first of all, I would like to find out tachomotor here. So I'm just typing here tacho, right? Motor. Now you will receive one folder, and by the help of this folder, you can easily take tachomotor by expanding it. So just expand it by the help of this plus symbol. Just click on that, and now you will receive tachomotor. This one is tachomotor. So take it and put on your work plane area, and after that you have to find out one technique angular beam. So you have to write here technique, right? So you will receive lots of folder regarding this, and now you will receive this from this folder. So just expand this one, and now you will find out which technique beam you want. I just want to take 90-degree technique beam, and its size is 3 by 5. You can take 3 by 5 size technique beam. So find out here. You will easily receive 3 by 5 technique angular beam from here. You can see here, this is the technique angular beam and its degree is 90. So you will take easily from here. Just click on that and put on your work plane area. Now move on to the next part, and in next part you need a very simple part, that is connector peg. So you have to cancel the last search by this cross symbol, and now you will type here connector peg. I'm just typing here connector peg. So you will receive again a single folder in which lots of connector pegs are available. So just click on this plus symbol, and now you will easily take this connector peg. Yes, now you will put on work plane area. Now move on to the next part, and the next part name is fric snap. The name is Frick Snap. So you have to write here Frick Snap, and fastly you will get the result. And you will take this 2M Frick Snap from this folder. So just click on that and now drag your mouse on the work plane area. So all 4 parts are here, and by the help of these 4 parts, you will create a design. That means you will assemble all the parts. आप ये चारों parts को क्या करेंगे? Assemble करेंगे, right? So first of all, you have to change the direction of this tachomotor. So just rotate like this by the help of keyboard, and now you will put here, and after that you will set this connector pack at the end, right? You can see here, आप इसको यहाँ पर set करेंगे at the end of the hole. जो भी आपके होल है, इनमें सबसे लास्ट वाले होल में आपको कनेक्टर पैक कनेक्ट करना है. एंड द लास्ट सेकंड वन, in last second one you have to assemble the Frick Snap like this. In this way you have to set like this, and now you will check on the other side कि आपने उसको बिल्कुल correctly set किया है या नहीं. Yes, it is okay, it is fine for me. Now I would like to change the direction, and now I will set this Technic angular beam, its degree is 90. So I will take this one and now change the direction like this, and after that I have to set in this way. See carefully, right? In this way, correct? आपको यहाँ नहीं assemble करना है इसको आपको यहाँ पर assemble करना है, correct? That means you have to leave one hole. आपको यहाँ पर एक hole leave कर देना है, यहाँ से आपको इसको assemble करना है. So this is my first step for creating elephant boat. Now I'm going to move on the next step, and in next step we need 3 parts. And what are the parts? Simply you need one sensor, one cross axle, and one Frick Snap again. So you know very well Frick Snap का folder आपने already open किया हुआ है. So you can take again one more and put on our work plane area. And what are the process for that? The process is simple. Just click on that, and after that drag your mouse on the work plane area. It means आपको पर्टिकुलर पार्ट पर क्लिक करना है, उसके बाद अपने माउस को ड्रैग करना है अपने वर्क प्लेन एरिया की तरफ, तो आपका पार्ट आपके वर्क प्लेन एरिया में इजीली आ जाएगा. Got it? Now I'm going to move on the next part, and the next part is what? Part is simple and very simple part, that is cross axle, and its size is 3M, right? So I'm just typing here cross axle. Correct? And now I'm going to take 3M cross axle from this folder. So I'm just finding out, yes, this one. So I can take it and put on our work plane area, and after that I will cancel this search by this cross symbol, and now I'm going to search light sensor. Light sensor. Now you can see lots of sensor are here. So I'm just taking this light sensor, this one, and just putting on my work plane area. And after that, I will design it, right? I will assemble all the parts together. So what are the process for that? The process symbol, the process is simple. You have to take this Frick Snap and just change the direction like this. And after that, you will put here, correct? In this way. आपको ध्यान रखना है Frick Snap को इस तरीके से सेट करना है. Now move on to the next one, and in next one you have to set this cross axle here. You can see I will show you by the help of zoom in, and I'll show you here. You can see the plus symbol is here, and ये मैंने आपको फर्स्ट क्लास में ही क्लियर कर दिया था कि जहां भी प्लस सिंबल होगा वहां आप पार्ट को थ्रू क्रॉस एक्सेल ही कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, आप कनेक्टर पैक की हेल्प से उसको कनेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं, राइट? सो यू हैव टू टेक दिस क्रॉस एक्सेल and now you will put here like this, right? ये देखिए, and now you will set this, आपको इसको बहुत केयरफुली सेट करना है. Now you will set what? You will set this light sensor here. So just minimize it and now you will take this light sensor like this. I'll show you on the other direction. Yes, in this way. And now you can easily set. You will set in the mid hole, right? In this way. Yes, this is the actual position. You can see, right? And now you will set one more frick snap here. So I'm just clone this frick snap. मैं इसको clone कर लूंगी, मैं इसको find out नहीं करूंगी through search box. So I'm just taking clone tool. Just click on that, and after that you have to click where? You have to click this frick snap because you can easily create a clone, right? Just click on that and after that drag your mouse. You will receive the duplicate copy of that part, correct? Now you will set like this. Just rotate your frick snap in this way and after that you have to set here. You can see. So this is the actual design, correct? Just move here and now take your single selection because आप उसी से इसको easily set कर सकते हैं. Yes, this is the actual position. Now you can see, correct? This is the second step. Now I'm going to move on third step, and in third step we need again 3 parts and the parts are same. One is frick snap which is also available here, and one is cross axle. Again it is 3M cross axle, so you have to find out here cross axle, cross axle. Yes, so you can take this one and after that you will take one more light sensor. So no need to find out again, just clone it. Take clone tool and after that click on this light sensor and just drag your mouse and you will receive this light sensor. So just take it single selection once again because by the help of single selection you can do the task easily. And after that, where you have to use this cross axle, you have to use this cross axle here, right? And then you have to set this light sensor here, right? So just rotate like this and then you have to set in which, like this, right? And now you will use two more frick snaps. So just take from here by the help of clone. One is here, we need one more, so we will do clone, and by the help of clone we can easily create one more duplicate copy of this frick snap, and now we can easily use it for designing purpose. And now I'm going to use like this, right? So in this way, this is the actual way to add on. Now I'm going to tell you where we can use this frick snap. Where we can use this frick snap, we will use here in this way, right? In mid stud, or we can say that middle hole. So this is the way we can use it. right? Now I'll show you the complete structure which we have done from all the directions. Right? So I'm going back on my designing. In next step, what should I do? We need one more part, and again its name is 3M cross axle, and one more part, that is fric snap. So I can take by the help of clone tool. So just do it and just click on that, and now you can see both parts are available on my work plane area. And right now what I'm doing a very simple step. Just take this just take this cross axle, but ये कब पॉसिबल है, ये सिंगल सिलेक्शन है की हेल्प से हम इजीली कर सकते हैं. So take it and just put it here in this way, and after that you will set this fric snap here. So you have to check it is correctly done or not. Yes, it is done because the green line is visible right now. So we are correct, right? Now you can see, right? Now move on to the next step, and in next step, the process is simple. Again, you need one cross axle and two fric snaps. So you can take this cross axle and you will take fric snap from here by the help of clone. So just take it, just click on that, and you will receive one more by the help of just clicking once again, right? So these are the two fric snaps and one cross axle, and by the help of these three parts we can create our own design. That is that is simple elephant boat. So I'm just showing you. You can put your cross axle in center, and after that you will use this fric snap in this way. Similarly, you have to change the direction of this another fric snap, and then you will put here. So this is the accurate way, right? And now you will set this where you will set here, right? बट ये कैसे पॉसिबल है, ये सिंपली आप देख सकते हैं आपका थर्ड होल ब्लैंक है. आपको जो हमने अलग से डिजाइन क्रिएट किया है फ्रिक स्नैप और क्रॉस एक्सेल से, हम सिमिलरली ऐसे भी कर सकते थे जैसे हमने लास्ट सेक्शन में किया, बट राइट नाउ हमने क्या किया, इसको अलग से डिजाइन कर लिया और अब हम इसको क्या करेंगे, टुगेदरली यहाँ पर पुट ऑन कर देंगे, राइट? एंड ये टास्क कब हो सकता है, सिंपली आप क्या करेंगे, just use connected selection tool, right? Just click on that, and after that you have to click on any part like this, and now you will take it and now you will put here in this way. ओके आपको इसको यहाँ सेट करना है, बट बिफोर दैट यू हैव टू सेट दिस वन, यू हैव टू चेंज दिस लाइट सेंसर. गिव मी 1 मिनट. आपको इसको एक ब्लॉक नीचे सेट करना है. यस, दिस इज द एक्चुअल पोजीशन. ध्यान से देखिएगा, राइट? एंड नाउ you will set this third part here. Yes, now it is the actual position. You can see. Just okay, just do undo. Yes, you have to set first this light sensor downside in this way, and after that you will use this part here. Click on that and then you will put like this. Yes, now this is the actual position. You can see, right? And after that, you will take one Technic angular beam, which is here, right? So you can use clone tool. And by the help of clone tool, you can easily take, right? And then you will put here in this way. आपको इसको यहाँ पर सेट करना है. So firstly you will use single selection tool and then you will take and now you will set like this. आपको बहुत केयरफुली इसको सेट करना है. ओके, ये आपको थोड़ा सा सेट करना पड़ेगा. यस. Okay, you will remove these 3 frick snaps from here like this and you will set here in this way, correct? And then you will use connected selection tool, and by the help of connected selection tool you can easily attach. Yes, now this is completely done. I hope it is clear. I'll show you from all the directions. It's completely okay according to my requirement, right?